Okay, today we're talking about a DIY nightstand build. So anytime you use power tools, always be sure to read, understand, and follow the manufacturer's instructions and wear PPE. So here's a nightstand in question. This is a 3D model, and it also has a drawer, as you can see. I will provide a drawing and parts list later on in this video.
Woo!
It's simple construction. The idea here is to make it easy for everyone of all skill levels. And even if you're on a limited budget with limited tools, you can do this. So flipping it upside down, you can see how it goes together. 4 legs, 3 rails, a top. The 3 rails and legs are screwed to the bottom of the top with those angle brackets. The drawer box you'll make separately. The entire construction is made with countersink wood screws. Pre-drill all your holes to prevent splitting the wood. And remember to put a little bit of wood glue on each joint. And then you can sand this, tack cloth it, and stain it or paint it whichever color you choose. Just to give you an idea, instead of the natural wood, you can stain it a darker color like this.
Wow.
Or again, if you have black furniture, paint it black. You can do a whitewash, etc. Up to you. There's a better look at the angle iron brackets, and you can see how the drawer slides attach to the bottom side of the nightstand top. And then the drawer simply slides into those drawer slides. And you can sand the corners if you want more rounded corners instead of squared off corners like you see here. You can even change out that drawer pull to metal if you don't like the wood. 100% up to you. Okay, now here is the drawing with dimensions. All dimensions are in inches. Again, here too, if you want to change these dimensions, make it taller, shorter, wider, you're welcome to. This is just meant to be a generic example to help motivate or inspire you to build something with your own 2 hands. You can buy nightstands, obviously, at your local furniture store. They can be a bit pricey. You can buy less expensive ones made out of particle board from like IKEA, Target, Walmart, Amazon.com, or eBay. But making it out of solid wood like this, again, you can customize it. You can build it nice and strong so it stands the test of time. And again, I'd recommend building the nightstand first, then build the drawer box separately. And again, put wood glue on all of your joints. If any wood glue squeezes out, you want to wipe it off right away with a damp rag. Don't allow it to dry, because then it'll be hard to sand off. And you don't want to leave dried wood glue, because then that will show through when you go to stain it or paint it. And countersink all your screws, and then you can putty over them with some wood filler, or you can install those round wooden buttons and glue those in place depending on what look you're going for. And this drawer box, the drawer itself, you can just have it be one single piece of wood for the front of the drawer where the handle attaches. Or what I'd recommend is double up, so 2 pieces of wood that are glued and screwed together for that drawer front. That way, the actual drawer front that you see is attached from the back side. So you drive some short countersink wood screws through the board from the inside of the drawer into that drawer front. And then that way you don't have to putty over any wood screws from the front of the drawer, if that makes sense. If you're not comfortable making the drawer, or if your budget doesn't allow for the drawers and the material, you can omit that and just simply add a fourth rail across the front to keep it a simpler project. And again, you can use a handsaw, a circular saw, table saw. A lot of Home Depot or Lowe's locations will even cut that tabletop to size for you. So if you bring the board to their saw, they should be able to cut it down to the 20 inches by 18 inches that you see in this drawing. And you're welcome to screenshot and print this drawing out. I hope this information helps you. If you got any value out of this video, please consider subscribing. It helps the channel move up in the YouTube algorithm so we can help more people. So here's a close-up view or a detailed view of the drawer brackets. You can see how they're undermounted. You can buy these. If you can't find these, there's other drawer brackets you can also buy as well. Lastly, here's a parts list for you for this project, just under $100 at the time of this recording in 2024. Good luck with your project. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.